Hello there, my name is Emin, EMCsoft, and in this video I'm going to continue my Bitrix training course about robots, and today we will discuss robots paperwork. If we will go to lead, and I will create robot and go to paperwork, we'll see these robots: create document, track entity view, track new entity, modify details, get details values. But I'm going to split that video up to two parts: how to create documents, first part, and second part will be track entity view, track entity, new entity, more details, and get details value. Because in this video I wanted to show you how you can generate template of a document itself, so it's kind of time consuming, and that's why you will have that robot in two videos. Good, let's go. So when you create a document, click add, you will see that create document window. In this document window, you need to select template from which you're going to generate that document. You're going to select my company, because you may, as an organization, may have many companies, and you need to select company details, because even one company may have several company details. And the same story for banking details. Why my one company may have many banking details. Also, you may select additional fields which located exactly in the lead. Okay, let's go do that step by step. Let's go for the test template first. I mean, template of the document itself. If you go lead, inside the document, you may see documents, and in this section you can see documents which is already generated. Okay, and in add new template, you can add a template which you will use to generate the document itself. Okay, so I will delete my test one because I don't need that, and you got some default documents which provided by Bitrix by default, right? But we will not use going to use none of them for now. We will generate a document from scratch. Okay, right. But before generating document, we need to create company, this one, because that document will take all data from my company details and banking details. For that, you need to go to more settings, my company details. In my company details, you need to create a new company, which is your company. So I will create my company, EMCsoft. And I can ignore all of this because I don't need them. The only thing which I need here is details. So details here means my company details here. I'm creating a details, but once you will create that, you can create another one. For now, I can create details for the company, because also you can create details for the person, physical person. I will need to change that name, because that name will come along here, okay, to which I need to select. Okay, company name again here. I will leave that as it is, because I want to extract that address exactly in the same manner to my document as I wrote it here. Also, I may add a signature to that company details, because you may have many signatures for different companies. Okay, then I will add banking details. And save. Okay, what we got now? We created company, we created company details, we created my company banking details. Using that data, we will now create a template. To create template, we open new file, just empty file, and we need to create a template from which company, company details, and bank details, like invoice. So here I'm going to insert company details and company name and banking details. For that, and delivery address. For that, I need click on details again. Click details here. So I need to put this, this, and this, signature, and banking details. Okay, I'm open in new tab, new Bitrix for testing. So I'll use this lead for testing, and I'm going to I'm clicking here, add new template, and on this settings wheel, click fields. Right. Then I'm going to, so if you're using Chrome, so I recommend to use Chrome for the case. For this case, click inspect, and so click on this button, and then move that button to the field you want to extract to the template. Company name. So company name, click, and here you can see that it's a required company name. So double click on it, copy, coming back to the second tab, paste here. Right. So here you need to select company, your company name. For that, so this filter active for the leads. So means that inside to the lead you got connected company. In that case, company which you selected here. So leads, my company, and then inside of the company you need to go straight to the company details. So I need to get lead, my company, and company details. My company, my company details, company name. So that routine means that go to the lead, so here inside of the lead, find my company, this one. Inside of my company, go to my company details here, and inside this one, so my company details, and inside of my company details find my company name, which is this one. Right. So we need to select this, copy, and open that document, paste here. Then I want to put VAT. So I put here company name, here company VAT. In the same way, I'm clicking on this button, finding this VAT, copy it, coming back to this settings page, okay, my company details, VAT, AD, copy, paste. Then I want to put address. So selecting that element. So difficult to find, but you can also put here address. And let's try to find my company details address. So it's not located here. My company details street. Okay, we find it. And go back to full address. My company details street address, full address, copy. Okay. And put in here company address. Save. Okay, now what else? Also, we need to put a signature here, and for that we point the signature. My company details, my company details, signature, copy, and put signature in the bottom of that document. Right, but there is a special placement for the signature as a picture. For that, to make your life easier, what you can do is that open a new tab, go to leads, inside of a lead, go to documents and add new template, and download Invoice UK. As you can download any document which exists in your Bitrix, because in your Bitrix could be different documents. Then open that document and copy this picture in your document. Right, so close that, you don't need that, and okay, click Alt text and copy this there. Copy this text and copy in this section. Then I don't need that, delete. Okay, so in that picture, that data, that picture will be extracted. Good, save. Okay, so we can close that for now, and we now extracted company details, and let's check how it is working before put that to the robot. Okay, so coming back, so we can leave that as it is now. Go to leads, go to the document, documents, add template, upload, select document which you created in your PC, template training, open. Okay, so we need to make active, means that it will be in the list, because we have some documents there, but you do not see them because they are inactive. You need to, with signature stamp, means that signature as a picture, which is here. Also, you need to bind to CRM. In our case, we're going to be make that active only for the leads, because we're doing that in leads. So, which user will able to see these templates? All employees, by to country. So for the testing of robots, this is not important. I will ignore this and save. Then I will generate that document. So I'm selecting. Okay, so we generated all company name. We didn't extract address, so we done some mistake here. We will check what we done wrong, and we extracted signature, a bit bad looking, but so you can manage to make it better than me. using call center 24, you may do a click by clicking on the number, select a number from which you want to call. You can add up to 100 numbers. Make a call. During the call, you can add to the call any contact from your Bitrix from leads or contacts. You can add call center user from user list in your Bitrix, or you can connect to that call somebody by type any number and connect to that call. Also, you can pause the call, mute the call, or transfer call to somebody else. Okay, let's check company address. So primary address is not fit here, and I'm assume that this is because we need to make use a delivery address. Okay, save that and let's do the testing again. Coming back, close that document, add new template, template training, edit, upload new. Right, so we managed to extract exactly how we fix it in this company details. Right, so we extracted company data, VAT address, and signature. Now let's put here so already let's extract banking details. Okay, save. Okay, and details, name bank details. Okay, copy. So my company banking details, bank name. Okay, copy, and we put here banking details. Okay, then we need to extract bank address. Again, we point that field. So my company banking details, bank address, passed here, and then find bank account holder name. Okay, this one, copy. And we need to have IBAN. So extracted data, let's test that. All data extracted except banking details, bank name, holder. So bank details bank details is not actually should be like that. It should be like this. Okay, and bank name is not extracted. Okay, let's check again where we done mistake. Bank name. Okay, let's point it again. Right, now we good here. We extract a company name, banking details, and signature. Okay, now let's go to our robot, update that robot now. Go to paperwork, create document. So we got only one template, that's why I've automatically selected my company, EMCsoft. So we going to by these steps. So we go into my company details, EMCsoft. Then inside of a company, we got these details. So my company details, EMCsoft 2. So we click here, details. So EMCsoft company details, and my company banking details, banking cycle CA. So title, banking cycle CA. Good. And save. Right. Now let's do the test of a robot. So we move robot here, create document and save it. Okay, we will put here and send email to client. We will rename it like create a document. So let's do the testing. Let's create lead test 2, save, and move to the stage where we should create document by robot. Okay, must be created. Let's open it. Name, temp training, open it, and let's check. So company, all data extracted, signature not extracted. Let's check why that happened. Okay, we need to select this signatures tab, and we need to check that to able to get the document in PDF format. Okay, save. Let's create another document again. Open. Right, signature here. And we can have a PDF file. Okay. Good. Okay, let's use document fields. So we can select now available in these robot fields like document title, and we click add, and document title will be, for example, ID space ID of the lead space lead name. It's just an example, could be any data here. Save. Let's do the test. Move document, open. Okay, we can see that name of a document, ID plus name of a lead, and we have that here. Okay, what happened if we're going to add here products? So we open a lead, go to the products, and so I can delete that. I can add the products, MacBook Air and Apple Watch, and no discount, amount, quantity, save. Right, so we need to do the testing again here. Here as to generate document itself, if we're able to generate document itself. So we insert in table here. Okay, and go into lead, documents, add new template, settings wheel, fields, type products here. All right, so what we doing here, we looking for the lead. Inside of the lead, we're going to leads, then from leads we go into products, from leads products. Inside the product we go into product, single product means, and we extract a name. So copy name and put here product name, paste here, when we extracting price. By the way, image we extracting, we say VM is a signature, but I will not do that. Oh, probably we can. Just to see how it's working. So product price, copy. So picture here. Okay, let's put here price. Okay, then we have quantity. Price products quantity. Also, we need to have total. To make the product photo inside of a table, you need to go to the products, and inside of a product, go to product catalog, section 1, go to inside of a product itself and upload picture of a product in more pictures field. Okay, so in the same way you need to find out how you name that picture field. Okay, I'll copy it. Okay, go back, templates, okay, product more pictures, copy it and paste it here. Okay, move it, and let's do the test. Go to test, add new template, template edit, upload, template training, save. Right, and now generate template training. Okay, so we got document with all data and with picture in it. Right, if we finish with testing, let's do the testing inside of a system. So I'm moving lead to the create document stage and go inside to the lead and open. Right, good. So we extracted all data, all products here, all data inside of a document it should be. Right, so I finished that video here. We discussed how you can automatically create a document. In the next video, I will discuss how you can understand that client open that document to make call and the rest of these robots. So if you like that video, click like. If you have questions about that video, put your questions in the comments under that video. Thank you and bye-bye.